Hey guys, I'm Biker Brad, and in this video we're getting a free boat. What are we doing today, mate? What the fuck is this?
Enough said.
Enough fucking said. Getting it done. Free boat. Subscribe to Biker Brad right now. So, as you just saw, me and Lewis, my fucking Donny, we went and collected this thing. Now, let's take a look at it in the daylight. I've already started cleaning it a little bit, as you can see by the cloth in my hand, but I'm going to show you this thing. Pardon me. So, I've already cleaned the bench here, and I'm literally using pink stuff, and it's doing amazing. And then I just wanted to experiment, so I actually sanded this and sanded the top there a little bit, but compare that there, the whole gunnel go across. Yep, and the gunnel, by the way, is the top part of the boat there. It's called that from old terms, but if we go across, that is where the pink stuff's cleaned it. Obviously it's still wet, but you can see it's a proper nice redwood. It isn't all grey and shit like that. So, I feel like we can restore this thing near enough nearly all the way back for free. Really? Well, 39p pink stuff. So, So I just got everything wet quick so it's easier to see the difference. That's it dark. And that's it bright. It looks amazing. He's a handsome boy, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, he's a handsome boy. Oh. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Aren't you? Yeah. He's a good little baby. He's a good little baby. He's a good boy. So, it's mostly been sanded. Now I've been rinsed off. Yeah, as soon as it's dry, I'll probably go through with another sand again. Just now it's clean, I can actually see what's been done, what ain't been put done properly, you know? So, yeah, probably come back to this tomorrow, see what happens. So the free boat has come along amazing since you guys have last seen it. But unfortunately, we ended up getting to that point in the project where it was amazing about 3 weeks ago. So it's been sat in my garden since. And it's kind of collected a little bit of water and leaves. But I'm just going to show you guys. Hopefully you can see how well we did whilst ignoring the water and leaves that have accumulated very, very quickly. So here it is. As you can see, it's definitely full of water and leaves, but it's been painted. I've done a fiberglass repair on that crack, although there is one air bubble which pissed me off, but you know, shit happens. Got a trailer for it. Now this trailer is someone else's bod's job of a trailer, but the reason I wanted it is because it uses push bike wheels, so I'll be able to actually tow this with my push bike. Although when I end up actually being on the road, I'll tow it with a normal trailer that I've bought, not some bod shit. This is just for right now, because I don't want to be waiting for a license to take the boat out. I want to tow it in my push bike. Thank you guys very much for watching this video with the boat. I'm sorry that I didn't really record the most important parts, but there's a lot more stuff going to be happening to this. Obviously fishing trips, shit like that. The engine I've got to make for it and stuff like that. There's a lot more to come. So just keep your eyes peeled, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.